With the file opened in Photoshop, once your file is loaded, you go to edit. Next you go to convert to profile. Once you click on convert to profile, this particular window will appear, and from here you basically change or choose your color profile. You see in this section we have profile, and here we will have the list of color profiles where you can choose from. So let's say I want to choose Apple RGB. So my color profile is chosen. I can preview here as well. What changes is it making? So my color profile is selected. Next you preview it and hit OK. That's how you do it.